Hi everyone, my name is Fu, and the extra credit video project I'm doing is about Newton's third law and conservation of momentum. Newton's third law is when one object exerts a force on the second object also exerts a force that's same in magnitude but opposite in direction to the first object. And conservation of momentum means the momentum of the system is constant if there's no external force acting on the system. The real life experience I can think of is how the rocket launched. Many people probably think rocket science is pretty complicated and pretty hard to understand, but for the basic principle for a rocket to launch is actually pretty simple. It's just the use of Newton's third law and the conservation of momentum. So for the process of launching a rocket, first the rocket burns the fuels and liquid oxygen inside it, and then ejects some masses continually, and then the rocket exerts a downward force to eject masses, and so as the eject masses exert a force that's same at magnitude but opposite in direction to rockets, and that's why rockets can go up. Right now there's a video of launching the rocket. And we can also use the conservation of momentum to see how the rocket is launched. And the good thing about conservation of momentum is you can actually do some calculation to calculate the velocity and the force. So momentum is equals to mass times velocity, and the initial momentum is equal to the final momentum. So at first, the velocity of the rockets and the eject masses are zero. So the PR initial and the P eject masses initial equal to zero. However, in order for the system to be conserved in momentum, the momentum of the rocket final and the final momentum of ejected mass must be equal to zero too. However, in order for this equation to be right, they have to the final rocket, the momentum of rocket must be the negative final momentum of ejected masses. So you can see the velocity of them are in opposite directions, and it also means the force are in opposite directions. Alright, that's the end of the video project. So rockets are cool, but nothing can accomplish. Nothing can be accomplished without physics.